Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you've ever wondered how to get started with your own website or blog, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to download and install WordPress in just a few easy steps. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking to set up a new site, this tutorial is going to be a game changer. So, don't miss a single step because by the end of this video, you'll have your very own WordPress site up and running. First things first, let's get WordPress downloaded. Go to your browser and search for WordPress download. Here you can see WordPress.org. But don't go to WordPress.com, as it's not free. We are gonna download WordPress from WordPress.org. Click here. And then again click on that big blue Get WordPress button. Now click here to download the latest version. It's totally free and will only take a few seconds to download. Before moving on to final installation, please like and subscribe to my channel and help me reach 1,000 subscribers. Now open your download folder and find the WordPress zip file. Just extract this file. This WordPress file contains all the necessary configuration files for your WordPress website. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded and installed WordPress. Comments below what types of websites you are going to create. And don't forget to subscribe.